guys, welcome to the Texas Welder YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to do basic lessons of TIG welding. Today I'm going to show you some fillet welding and I'm going to do F1 position. And the filler metal I'm going to use today ER70s6 carbon steel. I'm going to use 150 amp TIG rig. Also I'm using number 8 ceramic cup. For the fillet weld, it's good to use a small size ceramic cup, guys. I'm going to do work in the cup today. It's much more easier to work in the cup on fillet position. This is what you have to do right here. Alright guys, this is how my first pass look like. I'm going to throw another one top of that. Alright guys, right here I have 1, 2, 3 and I'm gonna do 2 more stack beads. Alright guys, I have finished the basic lesson of TIG welding F1 position. If you think this video is helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to see more video like this. Thank you for watching.